Hey, this is Kenneth Burton with Real Estate Photographer Pro. Just wanted to go over what's included in the Listing LaunchPad suite. So it is all of our marketing materials, next day delivery, and photos and more. And I'll go over that. It is a complete set of photos, up to 50 photos, interior, exterior, and drone photos with our high-end edit, which we call color right technology. So we make sure the colors are correct and we do all the sky replacements. So it's the highest end edit. So your inside photos are going to look crisp and clear and the colors are going to be accurate. We're going to provide a cinematic walkthrough video, floor plans with and without measurements. So we'll have two sets of floor plans, one with measurements and one without measurements. We'll have a property website done for you. Social media marketing templates will be delivered, property flyers, and I'll go into here in just a minute and show you more examples of that. Everything will be delivered the next day. We're going to do free cleanup. We're going to do a twilight photos, blue sky replacement, grass replacement if needed, and we'll also replace the TV screen so there'll be a nice image on the TV screen. This is a $1,200 value, and for first-time customers, we have it priced at $399, so you can experience all of our major services in one package. We have a editing team, so we use a team concept. We have a team of photographers, we have an admin team for customer support, and then we have a team of editors. Our editors go through about 3,000 photos a day, and they've worked with about 5,000 customers. Uh, there's our endorsements. Here's some frequently asked questions. The next day rush is free, so there's no reason to worry about when you're going to get your order. You're going to get it the next day. I've already covered the value. It's a $1,200 value at $399, and no need to really overly worry about rainy days. We're going to clean up all the photos, so we should be okay, unless it's just one of those days where it's an all-day rain where we can't fly the drone. That would be the only concern we have. But usually it only rains for 15 minutes at a time. It is 100% guaranteed. Let me show you some of the marketing kit examples. I'm just going to go into a marketing kit here. And this is one of our agents that with every photo shoot, she always makes sure she orders the marketing kit. And inside the marketing kit, you're going to have more than enough social media marketing content. And you will have it in two forms: branded with your information and your headshot and your logo. And then you'll have another version in the marketing kit, unbranded, so you can share that with the other agents in your office. So these are reels. And then every category, you click on this gray arrow and it'll drop down. Within that category, you will have more choices, more variety that you can work with. So that's in every category. So this is the real social media reels category. All this can be edited also. You can click in and edit each template if you think you need to. And we're going to keep paging down here. There's just too many choices there. These are your story posts for Facebook, Instagram, and Reel Tracks. And there's more choices there, and they can be edited and modified and changed. These are your landscape post examples, square post examples, Pinterest post example. We do encourage everybody to have a Pinterest page. It's search engine optimized. So when people search for you and your properties, Pinterest will work for you 24/7. Also, we encourage everybody to have a business Facebook and a business Instagram page because there are several advantages in having that. There's slideshows here, and there's 4 examples, but there's more examples here when you click on these gray arrows. And these are handy for uploading to all your social media accounts, even YouTube. We suggest having a YouTube account and giving a good description for each of your properties because that will, again, search engine optimized and people can find you. You'll be provided a QR code. We do have different types of websites, so you can always modify your website. It's also mobile optimized, so it'll work on any platform. We provide PDF files. These are the magazine booklets. There's 3 different versions, but there's other versions here. These are the flyers, one-page flyers, and there's other versions right here. We do a weekly report because you're going to have a property website that you can share on any platform, even on RealTracs, and that data can be collected, and then we can send that back to you every week, and that'll be automatically done, and you can use that data to make marketing decisions on your property. Here's an example of the back end part of the system you'll be provided. You'll have an online suite with us where all your properties will be saved online, and you can come back, download your invoices, download your photos, download your floor plans. So you'll have access to this, and you'll also have access to the printed materials. You'll have access to the marketing kit, and you'll have a lead capturing system. So it's a complete media marketing system provided for you. That's loading up. It's slow loading right now. Here it comes. Let me refresh that. Well, it's trying to open the same marketing kit I've got opened up right over here. So it's going to the same place. But if you have any questions, let us know. This is Kenneth Purdom with Real Estate Photographer Pro. We are here to help. We're here to be your media partner. We are more than just a photography company. We want to be your marketing partner. And if you want to view all of our services, just go to Real Estate Photographer Pro, click on services, and you'll see all of our services here. We do have creative services that we offer where we can help you with marketing, content management, content creation. So we have some of those examples right here on our service tab. Thank you very much.